Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites quickly. You need owner or billing admin rights on the project or organization, and a valid payment method ready. Open Cloud Console and choose Billing from the left menu. Once there, click Create Billing Account. Enter the billing account name, business address, and payment details. This establishes who pays and why. Make sure Billing API is enabled in APIs and services. Once done, you can link projects and control costs centrally with the account you just created. Once your billing account exists, link projects and set permissions so costs are visible and manageable. From the billing page, use Manage Billing Accounts, then Account Management to add projects. Pick the target project and confirm the billing account ID. Next, go to IAM to grant billing account user or billing account administrator to teammates who need access. Configure budgets and alerts under Budgets and Alerts to avoid surprises. If you need automation, enable service account roles for programmatic billing controls before proceeding. Finish by confirming billing is active on each project. Open the project, go to Billing, and verify it shows as enabled. Set up BigQuery or cloud storage export for detailed cost reports, and enable budget alerts so you're notified at thresholds. If something fails, first validate the payment method and transaction limits, then inspect organization policy restrictions and ensure billing API and IAM permissions are correct. If errors persist, remove and re-add the project link. This often clears inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.